If you're using Namecheap shared hosting and you need to update your PHP options, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to enable or disable specific PHP settings, change parameter values, or restore the defaults, this guide will help you do it quickly and safely inside your hosting control panel. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into the Namecheap account that manages the hosting plan you want to edit. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple web hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. You can use the Namecheap dashboard to access your hosting account and manage your shared hosting settings from one place. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the hosting list option and click it. This will take you to the list of hosting products connected to your account. Next, find the shared hosting plan you want to work on. When you see it, click Go to Cpanel. This is where you'll manage the technical settings for that hosting account, including PHP configuration. After Cpanel opens, look for the tool called Select PHP version and click it. This tool lets you manage which PHP version your site uses, along with a list of available PHP options and extensions. Once you're inside the PHP selector, scroll down until you reach the options section. This is where the real customization happens. Here you'll see different PHP parameters that can be enabled, disabled, or adjusted depending on your website's needs. Now review the available PHP options carefully. If you want to turn a setting on, check the box next to it. If you want to turn it off, uncheck it. Some options may also have editable values, so if you need to change a parameter, click into the value field and enter the setting you want. The changes are applied automatically, so you do not need to press a separate save button in most cases. This is useful if your website needs better performance, compatibility with a plugin, or a specific PHP behavior for a script or application. But be careful when changing advanced settings, because some values can affect how your site loads or functions. If you're not sure about a setting, it's always a good idea to change one thing at a time and test your website afterward. And if you ever want to go back to the original configuration, just click Reset to Default. That will restore the standard PHP settings for your hosting environment. So to recap, the process is simple. Go to Namecheap, open hosting list, click Go to Cpanel, select PHP version, scroll to options, and then adjust the PHP settings you need. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical hosting and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.